In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Exness account to MetaTrader 5. If you want to link your Exness account with MT5, just follow along, it's super easy. First, launch the Exness app on your phone. Once you're in the app, tap on Details for the account you want to link. Next, tap on Settings at the top right corner. Inside the settings, look for the server information. Copy the server name exactly as it appears. Now, open the MetaTrader 5 app. Select the plus button on the top. In the search bar, paste the server name you copied from Exness. After a few seconds, you should see Exness Technologies Limited or something similar pop up. Tap on it. Now, go back to the Exness app. Copy your login number from the account details and paste it into MetaTrader. Then, enter your account password. If you need to, go back and check it in the Exness app. Paste the password in MT5. Tap on Sign In at the bottom. And that's it. Your Exness account is now successfully connected to MetaTrader.